Hey there, I'm Yak Man, and this is tips and tricks for the FatalZ maze. It's a great duo activity if you've got a teammate, or if you start getting towards the end game, something you can solo for some quick cash and a good challenge. Running the maze is impossible to do without a full armor set, and you're definitely going to want a shopping list of medical supplies to bring in with you to make sure that you can survive each phase. First thing you're going to want to do is check in the chat to make sure that no one's already running the maze. You won't be able to run it if someone else is, and you don't want to get within 1,500 meters if someone is running it, because you could lag them out and cause them to die and fail their run, and nobody likes that. If it's all clear and no one cuts in front of you for asking in the chat, try to get boots on the ground within 200 meters of it, just as a good general rule, and type claim maze in the global chat. After claiming the maze, you can use global chat or a quick ticket and a please to ask an admin to come unlock the door and let you in for the fun part. As exciting as it is to run the maze, don't be too quick. Double check that all your mags and guns have been fully reloaded and that you've got your bandages and other meds ready to go. Energy pills and CBD balm are great for helping to minimize, but not fully, prevent knockout. After pre-medding enough to make Charlie Sheen jealous and your mags are topped off, it's go time. Your first trigger is going to be a set of Lokis, and these guys are no joke. You're going to need to fire a few shots and immediately run down one of the hallways. I recommend the one directly ahead of you. There are two different paths that people like to kite or aggro these bots on. A lot of people go off to the right. I found a path around to the left that helps me circle around quite a few times. The choice is yours. You'll have to run the maze a few times to figure out what works best for you. Whatever you do, don't stand still and don't let these guys get close. They've got a reach that would make an NBA star jealous. And when they catch you, they hit hard. It's an almost guaranteed knockout. Fuck. Just take a deep breath and enjoy the short nap you'll have. The first thing you're going to want to focus on when you get up is getting out one of those band-aids that you hopefully have on your hotbar. Make sure you heal that cut up, top your blood back up to full. Make sure you pick your gun up off the ground and get back in there, Sporty Spice. Once you get them down, you can continue through the maze. Now, I'm going to give you a sneak peek at a couple of the other triggers, and of course, we're going to give you a sneak peek at the boss fight that you're going to have at the end. It's a little blue hunchback fella and two big blue bears. Remember, the most important thing, the whole reason you're risking the maze in the first place, to win that sweet maze gun at the end of the run, which does some incredible damage. Make sure you tab out and look inside that little blue boss's inventory. If you cut him up and the gun was inside, you'll lose that gun. It's a low percentage drop rate and it may change from time to time. The important thing is that you don't accidentally throw that away by cutting up the boss without checking first. You will not be able to get compensated through a ticket if you've done so. And remember, it's all for fun. If you get your butt kicked a little bit, don't be shy about getting geared up and going back in there. It's a great feeling to walk out of the maze and have that maze gun on your arm. Keep watching to see a few bonus Loki triggers at the beginning that you can use to farm a couple extra dollars out of each run. And remember, safe travels.